Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LINU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where it was going into the day and then where it ultimately closed up there, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a nice move today. But that does lead to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this level that I talked about before in previous levels, or excuse me, in previous videos, right down here, this $1.85 level. And why is that area so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.85. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price has a relatively decent pullback. Not saying this will happen, but just for example's sake, and the price behaves in that manner there. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have a set of lows right here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the statement make progress as $1.85. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, for whatever reason, the sellers are definitely hanging right up around this $2.30 mark. I mean, you go back through the history of the chart and you can see, back here, knocked down the price multiple times, and then today on a couple different occasions knocked down the price. Not saying $2.30 can't be broken, just saying that apparently according to the story of the price, the bulls are really going to need to bring their A game in order to not only fight above that level, but stay up above it. All in all, though, very nice day today, and we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.